Hi everybody, it's Diana. I wanted to pop in today and I'm going to show you one of the cards that I did for the class in the mail. Usually I don't show those cards because they're for the class in the mail. People pay for a class or they earn the PDF based on their orders. But I want to just show you one of the cards because I love it so much, and I want to show you how easy it was to make. That's the whole surprise of it. So this uses the adorable stamp set called Animal Outing. It is so cute, and it has a matching framelit, so it just makes it even more cute and more valuable. So this is the one of the cute cards that we did. So this, I love it. Can you love a card? I do. So I want to show you the supplies that the class in the mail got for the class, and also people earn the PDF based on their order, so then it gives them the dimensions and the item codes and all that kind of stuff. So you can read more about that on my blog as well. This uses Smoky Slate, Basic Black, and So Saffron. Now the So Saffron, look how adorable this is. This uses the new, it's the detailed textured impressions embossing folder. It's just gorgeous. It just looks like a mattress or a pillow. And Toby's saying good morning as well, or good afternoon. It's actually afternoon. And I also used the Everyday Label Punch. So let me show you the finished card again, and let me show you how easy it was. So, some people will say, well, I can't color like you do. Well, this card, you did not have to color, because in their packet, they received this little guy and a piece of Whisper White regular. This is just regular Whisper White. And all you do is you glue the DSP to the Whisper White cardstock. They also got the cute little frog on the branch, and then a smaller piece of the Whisper White regular, and you're just going to glue that on as well. Then what you do is you get your little framelit out, and you framelit the rhinoceros, and you framelit out the little frog, and then all you do, and then here's the little square stitched that you're going to put it on, and then all you do is assemble your card. So it was so simple and so easy. While I was showing them the video, I actually, and I need to do this one, what I did was I took my Stampin' Blends and I colored underneath I always am calling this either a hippo or a rhinoceros. I know it's a rhinoceros, but I sometimes get it mixed up. All right, so what I did was I just used my Stampin' Blends and I colored underneath. So when I do this card, I'm going to do another one. I'm going to have the grass be green. So it did give it a different little look as well. So it worked good. But anyways, so I just had to pop in and show you that super cute card to make sure that you get the DSP as well. I believe this is one of the DSPs that will be on sale in July. So you want to make sure that you check that out as well. So I will say see you later. Have a super great weekend. And if you need anything, make sure you give me a holler. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.